Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can delete any post from your Facebook profile. First of all, open Facebook. Now click on this profile icon. Now after going to your profile, head down to your post. If you don't have any, you can watch our previous video where we taught you how to post photo or any post you want. Now this is the post I want to delete. Click on these three dots and go to the move to recycle bin. Now here you can see the Facebook allows you to keep your post which you are deleting for 30 days in case you have to recover it. Now click on move to remove it. And that's how you can delete a post from your Facebook profile.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.